You know, I can't date you if you mention me on Twitter. Subtweet me. Keep it a mystery. Don't everybody need to know we together.
I can't date you if you rather call me on the phone than text me.
You know, I can't date you if you ugly. You know, I'm talking about like when you smile, you look like your teeth trying to do the Dougie and shit. I just can't do that.
T, raw, motherfucker, why you raw? Why you raw? No, why?
I can't fucking date you if you make me this upset.
If you look for me to pay on the first date, I'm sorry, we just can't get a popping like that. You know, I'm in between jobs right now, so you know, I'm hurt.
So your dad used to play in the NBA. Okay, cool. Your daddy. Check yourself. Bitch, I can't date you.
Why your feet look like you've been working in the fields all day? I can't date you. Nasty ass ankles.
You got a poster of Rick Ross with no shirt on in your room. Can't date you, bro.
Future your favorite rapper? I can't date you.
When you try to be a freak, let me be the one you call when you stuck between the sheets. Let me be the ring, 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 ring.
You ain't fucking on the first, second, or third date. They ain't having that. Can't date you.
Can't date you if you get mad when I look at another girl's ass. Hey, I just want to see how big that ass was. Ass so fat I had to scratch my head.
Your eyebrows thicker than Drake's. Can't date you.
You ain't got no Yeezy, nigga? Hold up. So I can't eat the ass? I can't date you. I can't date you if you got a problem with my baby mom coming through the crib, you know. Hey, it's her kid too. Oh, you pregnant? It's mine. I can't date you. I can't date you if you can't cook a sandwich. I can't date you if you still on Facebook. MySpace me, bitch.